This material is from National Open University of Nigeria. My name is Dan Asukwo, your instructor. If you are a NOUN student or from any other universities, this will be very useful for you. Please do well to share it with others as well as on your study groups. Do you want a video of any other GST? If so, let us know at the comment section. If this is your first time of coming across our videos, then do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share for others too to benefit. The following are the likely asked questions and answers for Module 3, Unit 1. 1. What is the significance of understanding the meaning and nature of logic? Understanding the meaning and nature of logic is crucial for developing critical thinking skills and navigating rational thought processes effectively. 2. How does logic contribute to learning how to think critically? Logic serves as a channel for learning how to think critically by providing guidelines for evaluating arguments, identifying common reasoning errors, and employing effective techniques for analyzing information. 3. What are the primary learning outcomes of this unit? By the end of this unit, learners should be able to grasp the role of logic in philosophical thought processes. 4. What is the etymological origin of the word logic? The word logic is derived from the Greek word logic, which encompasses notions of reason, intellect, dialectics, and argumentation. 5. Who was the first ancient Greek philosopher credited with developing logical principles? Parmenides is recognized as the first ancient Greek philosopher to develop logical principles, including the principle of identity and the principle of non-contradiction. 6. How do different scholars define logic? Scholars define logic as the study of correct and incorrect reasoning and arguments, emphasizing the role of reasoning and argumentation in assessing the validity of claims. 7. What are the logical processes involved in reasoning? The logical processes involved in reasoning include simple apprehension, judgment, reasoning, and argumentation. 8. Define simple apprehension and provide an example. Simple apprehension refers to the act of forming a concept of something without affirming or denying anything about it. For example, saying, "Look at that ship," without making any further assertions. 9. What is judgment in logic? Judgment in logic is the act of affirming or denying something of something else, wherein an assertion is made about the attributes of an object. 10. Explain the role of reasoning and argumentation in logical processes. Reasoning and argumentation involve the progression from initial judgments to subsequent conclusions, wherein the mind passes from one or more judgments to a further judgment distinct from the preceding ones. 11. Why is logic relevant in critical thinking? Logic is relevant in critical thinking as it lays down rules for arriving at truth, minimizing errors, and equipping individuals with skills for effective argumentation and presentation of views. 12. How does the study of logic help in avoiding unfounded claims? The study of logic helps in avoiding unfounded claims by illuminating the principles of correct reasoning, identifying fallacies, and evaluating the strength of arguments based on evidence. 13. What analogy is drawn between logic and oxygen? Logic is likened to oxygen in life, emphasizing its indispensable nature in communication, interaction, and decision-making processes. 14. Why is logic considered the queen of all disciplines by some scholars? Logic is considered the queen of all disciplines because of its role in fostering orderliness, coherence, and rationality across various fields of study and professions. 15. What are the traditional branches of logic? The traditional branches of logic include formal logic and informal logic. 16. Define formal logic and provide an example. Formal logic is the study of inference with purely formal content, often represented symbolically. An example is symbolic logic, which uses symbols to represent logical propositions and their relationships. 17. What is mathematical logic concerned with? Mathematical logic is concerned with applying formal logical techniques to mathematics and using mathematical methods to analyze formal logic. 18. Explain the difference between deductive and inductive logic. Deductive logic involves inferential reasoning that follows necessarily from given premises, while inductive logic entails deriving reliable generalizations from observations without necessarily leading to absolute conclusions. 19. What is the role of prepositional logic? Prepositional logic is concerned with testing the truth-value validity of propositions through logical rules and principles, such as truth table analysis and formal proof of validity. 20. How does epistemic logic contribute to computer science and economics? Epistemic logic, which focuses on knowledge and belief, has many applications in computer science and economics by providing insights into modeling complex scenarios involving groups of knowers and improving our understanding of inquiry dynamics.